Alright, tonight I am going to make some muffins that taste like donuts. I've got 3/4 cups of sugar. I put in 1 egg. Okay. And I'm going to beat that up. I hope everybody's doing okay tonight. Okay. In a small bowl, whisk the other flour, baking soda, salt, and nutmeg. And I've got this. I've got all that right here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to pour in vegetable oil. I got 1/4 of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 3/4 cups of milk, and vanilla extract. Okay. All right. Okay, let me get this stirred up. I am going to add just a little bit more milk in here. Just a little bit. Okay. Kind of thick. Let me get this out in the sink. Okay. Okay. I've already got my pans muffin pans greased. Oh, that tastes good. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you take it into her side. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven for about, let's see, about 15 to 18 minutes, and I will bring you back. And I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees, so I'll bring you back when this gets ready. Let me turn off the oven. I've got these out of the oven, and I am going to brush butter on the top of these. It's got them out of the oven. I've got one more thing to put in there now. Okay. I am going to dip these. I'm going to dip these in powdered sugar, and I've got some cinnamon in there. I'm going to put them on the rack. Ooh, they're hot. Yeah, I forgot. I couldn't remember whether I turned it back on or not, but I did. Here they are. Aren't they pretty? Okay. There you go. I've got another one that I had to put. I've got another one in the oven. But these are the muffins that taste like donuts. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank you, and like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed night.